There's an intense rivalry going on in the tech world. Everyone wants to be the first to roll out a new update and own the favorite chatbot. Now let's meet these two popular AI chatbots, ChatGPT and Bard. ChatGPT was created by OpenAI, while Bard was developed by Google AI. These chatbots have been trained on huge sets of text and code. They can do some amazing things like generating text, translating languages, writing creatively, and giving you helpful answers to your questions. Let's dig into the origins of ChatGPT and Bard. ChatGPT made its debut in November 2022 and is based on the GPT 3.5 language model. It was trained on an enormous dataset with over 500 billion words. With all that training, ChatGPT is capable of generating text, translating languages, writing creatively, and giving you informative answers. On the other hand, Bard was announced in March 2023. It's built upon the Palm 2 language model, which was trained on an even larger data set containing over 1.5 trillion words. Bard can do everything ChatGPT can do, but it can also access and process real-world information. That means Bard has an advantage when it comes to the latest and most up-to-date knowledge. Both ChatGPT and Bard have many features in common. They can generate text, translate languages, write creatively, and provide informative answers. However, there are some important differences between them. ChatGPT relies on data collected before 2022, while Bard keeps collecting real-time data. This gives Bard an edge in having the most current information at its fingertips. Another difference lies in their language models. ChatGPT uses the GPT 3.5 model, while Bard uses the more powerful Palm 2 model. With its larger and more advanced language model, Bard is capable of generating more complex and informative text. When it comes to their abilities, both ChatGPT and Bard excel in their own ways. ChatGPT is particularly skilled at quickly and efficiently generating and summarizing text. Bard, on the other hand, is better at answering questions with a wealth of relevant information drawn from the real world. Now, let's talk about code generation. Both ChatGPT and Bard can generate code, but they do it differently. ChatGPT uses a process called code completion, where it fills in missing parts of a code snippet. Bard, on the other hand, can create code from scratch. For example, if you were to ask them to write a simple calculator code, here's how they might respond. As you can see, ChatGPT's code is more detailed as it completes an existing code snippet. Bard, on the other hand, generates code from scratch, resulting in a more concise solution. ChatGPT and Bard are both large language models, or LLMs, that are capable of generating text. However, there are some key differences between their text generation abilities. Data sources. One of the biggest differences between ChatGPT and Bard is their data sources. ChatGPT is trained on a massive data set of text and code, but it is not updated in real time. Bard, on the other hand, is trained on an infinite set of data that is constantly being updated. This means that Bard has access to the latest information, while ChatGPT is limited to older data. Accuracy. Another difference between ChatGPT and Bard is their accuracy. ChatGPT is generally more accurate than Bard, but it can sometimes be repetitive. Bard is less accurate, but is more creative and original. Readability. Finally, ChatGPT and Bard differ in their readability. ChatGPT's text is generally more readable than Bard's, but it can sometimes be bland. Bard's text is more creative and original, but it can sometimes be difficult to read. Overall, both ChatGPT and Bard are capable of generating text, but they have different strengths and weaknesses. ChatGPT is more accurate and readable, while Bard is more creative and original. Ultimately, the best choice for you will depend on your specific needs. It is worth noting that both ChatGPT and Bard are still being developed. As they continue to be trained, their capabilities will keep improving. In general, ChatGPT is great for tasks like code completion and refactoring, where it can generate code similar to what already exists. Bard, on the other hand, shines when it comes to generating original and creative code, making it perfect for tasks like developing new algorithms or writing fresh software. Both ChatGPT and Bard have their strengths and weaknesses. ChatGPT is efficient at generating and summarizing text, while Bard provides answers with more relevant information. However, ChatGPT may be limited when it comes to newer research and information, while Bard is still in its early training stages. Now, the big question: Which AI bot is best? Honestly, it's a tough call to make because both ChatGPT and Bard have their unique qualities, but we'll leave that to you to decide. Do let us know in the comments section. If you want to know more about ChatGPT and Bard, let us know in the comments section and we'll make another video talking about what they do in more detail. In the meantime, check out this video about GPT-5. It's going to change everything you know about AI. See you there!